What's up, guys? I'm back with another video, so go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe because I'm bringing you content every Sunday. So let's get right into this video. Okay, y'all, so today we are going to be doing a do-it-yourself DIY. So I found these pants online and I thought they would be really cool to try to duplicate. So I just love sometimes to just be able to be creative, use some scissors, and then, just have a little fun with it. So I saw these jeans, they have like big holes in them. And I thought they would be cool, trendy, and you could style it in many different ways. But today we are going to do the DIY. So I'll show you a picture of the before and then me actually going through the process of doing that same thing to the jeans. Okay, y'all, I'm excited. I have my pair of pants. I need some scissors and I need something to outline my circles with and something to draw out the outline. So I grabbed a glass out the kitchen. Yes, it's a margarita glass, and some scissors. I would suggest making sure you get some actual fabric scissors. It would make your life easy when trying to cut through these denim jeans, and you don't really want to work that hard. So I like things to be as simple as possible, as easy as possible, and that will make your life so much easier. So go ahead and grab your jeans and let's work on these jeans together. So what I am doing is I'm just outlining and cutting the holes. It's really that simple. You really just want to kind of figure out where you want your holes to be, so that way you can kind of figure out how you want yours to look. You can be as creative as possible. You can actually paint something on these jeans if you would like. I might do that later on, but right now I really just want these jeans with the big holes in them. You can have up to as many holes as you want to, or you can have as few as 2 to 3 or 4. So it really just depends on how you're feeling, how your creative spirit is leading you to take your jeans. So definitely comment below other things that you would like to see from me in the future. Go ahead and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and my Etsy shop at Royal Blue by Priscilla. If you think these are different items that you would like to see on my Etsy shop, definitely comment below. You can inbox me on my social media pages. Yeah, so don't feel shy. I am excited to hear your ideas, to listen and see what you would love to see from me in the future. So definitely I'm starting to really get into these jeans. You'll see me cutting a few holes, and then I'm going to show you how it came about. So definitely go ahead and give me a like button if you're liking how these holes are coming through. I'm really just outlining and cutting holes. So y'all, this is a very easy do it yourself. Very easy, and it's a statement piece to add to your wardrobe. If you don't have some wider fit, loose fit jeans at home, you can easily thrift them. I thrifted these jeans. I don't always have just a whole bunch of jeans just laying around, so I love to be able to thrift things for the low and be able to feel free. If I mess something up, I'm not hurting my pockets when I go thrifting. So if that's you, or you see some laying around that you don't care about, do your thing. Have fun. You can even throw a little bit of paint splatter on here and, spruce it up just a bit. But for me, and today, I'm just going to do these holes. So really just have fun, okay? All right, guys, I really hope you enjoyed that do-it-yourself holy jeans, you know? You can really style it in so many different ways, and in a future video, I will be showing you different ways that you can style those jeans. So, if there's things that you would like to see from me in the future, definitely comment below, but definitely don't forget to like and subscribe. And go ahead and share this with your friends. Who do you think would love these jeans? Who would be working these streets in these jeans, okay? So, you should go ahead and follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and my Etsy shop, Royal Blue by Priscilla. What story would you like told the Royal Blue by Priscilla way? All right, guys. See you next time. Peace.